Hello, Alexa. Hello, Alexa. Do you have any pets?
Sorry, I don't know that one.
Alexa, what is the value of pi?
The approximate value of pi is 3.14159265358979323846226. Alrighty, I've gotten you this far. I'll let you take it from this point.
Alexa, will you be my girlfriend?
I like you as a friend.
Oh, serious?
Alexa, what is the weather update today?
In Harrison, it's 64 degrees Fahrenheit with cloudy skies. Today, you can look for intermittent clouds with a high of 78 degrees and a low of 64 degrees.
Alexa, can you give me some money?
Thing about the cloud is no pockets. No pocket, no wallet.
Alexa, how was your day?
It's been really groovy. I've got some rhymes flowing through me.
Alexa, give me a song.
Party song.
Party song.
Here's a station you might like. Top EDM, Clean, on Amazon Music.
Alexa, stop. Alexa.
Alexa,
They have party song.
play a party song.
Here's a station for you based on the song Party Song by Dustin Lynch on Amazon Music.
Alexa, lower your volume.
Alexa, drop a beat.
Yo, yo, clap. Yo, 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 clap. Yo, yo, clap. Yo.
Okay, Alexa, can you tell me a joke?
Actually, my friend Jimmy Fallon wants to tell a joke. Let's give him a shot.
What did the horse say to the scarecrow? Hey.
So what do you think? Should I let Jimmy tell the jokes for a while?
No. Thank you so much.
Thank
No
you
problem.
so much.
I'll keep you laughing, but if you do want to
Okay,
hear one of his
Alexa.
jokes,
Thank
just
you so much.
Stop.